YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? It's your boy D Butto, and I'm back again with another video for y'all today, man. As y'all can see, man, by the title of this video, y'all can see what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of, the exhaust. I just took it out the box, so I'm taking it down to the car right now to go get it installed. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm happy as hell, so I gotta hurry up and do this. But this the box right here. This the box that it came in. It ain't super big, but it's a decent size. That's the box right there. That's what it came in. I got everything out of it that I need. Let me double check before I leave. All right, so I was just upstairs and I was just checking, make sure I had everything. As y'all can see, got all the parts in here. I was gonna show y'all when I unboxed it, but I didn't really want to unwrap everything and go through everything. But I can show y'all one thing though, because I definitely wanted to see these. Hey, y'all see that? Look how big it is, bro. I ain't even think it'd be that big. I can put my whole fist in there. All right, boom. Y'all see it, man. Look at that. Let me move that back. Got the exhaust tips for y'all, man. That's what's gonna be on this boy. Whoo. Yeah, we in there. But anyway, I'm about to shoot down here and get it put on. Hopefully they let me do some filming. If not, then I'm gonna just try to do like a before and after, let y'all hear the difference and stuff in the car. As of now, I'm on my way to the shop to get it put on. I'm trying to rush and get everything done, man. I could have waited till tomorrow. It's only 12:58 and they close at 5 o'clock. So I called them and I asked them like, hey, could y'all put an exhaust on a 2021 Lexus S350F? And he was like, just depending on, what you got. I told him what kind of exhaust I had, and he told me just to come over there so he can check it out and stuff. Hopefully he can put it on today, man. If he can put it on today, this should be a success. This should be a dub. Then I need y'all to throw up type W's in the comment section, man, just because we got a dub today. But if not, it's all good. We should be able to get it done tomorrow. I told y'all I had some other stuff coming for the car, man. We got some other things coming up, like Sunday. We got T Higgins car show coming up. They're gonna do it at the World's Fair Park or something like that. We got a couple of guys we linking up with. Tasky 29 to be in the building with us. Shout out to my boy Tasky. Matter of fact, he just dropped a video. By the time I drop my video, he'll probably been dropped the S550 video with him and Wyatt. But if I drop it before, he just dropped the Tesla Model 3 video. I think that's the one he just did. But yeah, shout out to Tasky 29, man. Sunday we'll have a group of people. We're gonna end up riding out to the car show and just see how that turned out. I should vlog and probably get some footage from there. And then after that, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know if people gonna wanna cruise, if people just gonna wanna chill, go to like a meet or something like that. It just depends. It just depends on how everybody feeling. Which, like I said, with me, I would probably wanna cruise. I just got my exhaust. I'm trying to hit some tunnels. Let me not say I just got my exhaust yet, because I ain't got it yet. I still gotta wait until he tell me if he can do it today or not. And then when I get to the shop, after I take all the parts out and stuff, I'm gonna let y'all see the parts. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a couple of revs with the stock exhaust that's on here right now. And then we're gonna do a couple of revs after we put the new exhaust on, which I catch y'all up on speed to what type of exhaust and everything it is I got, in case you're looking at getting one of these type of cars and you're looking at it, you're looking for an exhaust. All right, y'all. So they about to put a car in and see what's going on with it, man. I'm here. I'm gonna ask them if I can record them. If they could pull it on and do a quick little rev with the stock exhaust on there and stuff right now, and then try to get a little footage to them putting a new one on, and then get a rev after they done with it. So rev it for you guys for me. Tell him he good. Okay. Thank you. We got everything. Those the tips right there. Bolts. And we are at Quicko Muffler and Brake Center off of Magnolia. So If you want to get your exhaust done, just come on down here telling your boy David sent you. So right now they just checking, making sure we got everything to do the install on it, which right now so far so good. They're getting that thing off of there right now, man. We got a new X pipe all the way down to the tailpipes. Ready to go. I can't wait to see what it's gonna sound like, man.
Buying cars, at one point they were stolen. Now I'm on niggas who ball for life, I'm just off what I showed them. Gotta have a trigger finger no more, bro, you just gotta hold. Left my heart up on the stage, nigga, I done lost my fucking voice. If you ain't got no bag, you can't be mad, nigga, that was your fucking choice. Where I come from, nigga, it's hard for a nigga just to make some noise. You slime me out, I'm on your ass like damn, I throw me in face with boys. All my niggas always play with buttons, and hell nah, bro, these ain't no toys. Keep that front door closed, cause all that in out shit gon' make me know it. Bro just pulled a 4 and a 12 ounce pop, I think he tryna be fluid. They show me love, I get free Carmar socks every time I go on tour. I don't want your love if it's fake. In the slums with the Drake. In my hood, I'm a
Finna see how the new one gonna fit on there. Got the old one. Old. That's all the new stuff right there. Look at it. They're getting it done. We're putting a new one on right now.
voice messed up, ain't stopping shit, bro, I'm still trying to put little beats. I made it out, what the fuck I look like, still trying to put on cleats. But still a hop up in that field if a nigga ever give me a reason. When I get to the crib, you take my soul, man, little baby a demon. I still be putting on the same old clothes, I don't care if they already seen it, nigga. I don't care if they already seen it, nigga. Same clothes, I don't care if they already, I don't give a fuck, nigga. This fit cost me $5, I don't wear this bitch every day if I want to. Alright. I wear this fit for 2 days. Hard decision, I can fuck 2 bitches or make 2 plays. But y'all know I'm going to that pape. They make me feel home when I'm in Cali, they love me in the Bay. I got the brr, Fredo got the K. Turn the music up, them cherry tops behind us, I think they tryna chase. Smoking Zabra, I forgot the name. Overthinking next bar because, man, I got a lot to say. That's why I had to add another beat up at the end. Won't catch him lacking, parking the cat because I bag it in. Can make 2 bitches PTP snapping with my hands. If I'm shooting and bro shooting, you ain't gon' stand a chance. No cap, bro, it's chalk, literally. Shooting everything in the stove, babe, you killing me. I got like 20 different flows, I ain't stealing shit. Left wrist white snow, it looked like a brick. They thought my hand was in my pocket, it looked like a fist. That just crumbled up money that I forgot to fix. Bro said a pig, we fucked them niggas up cause they forgot to switch. She wanna do my jersey and after that she tryna lock and twist. Bitch, yeah.
We're just waiting on them to put the tips on, man, and then we will be good, bro. So, I mean, it probably took about an hour. Probably about an hour, man. I've been sitting out here the whole time just watching. I mean, shoot, they chill though. They cool, man. But nah, bruh, that thing looking, what do you say? She gorgeous. Oh God, bruh. That mother looking gorgeous right now. I can't wait. Look at how she look from back here. Woo. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, we getting it right now. Alright, man. That thing on there, look at that. Woo. That look good. Yeah, I like that. So my phone had died after I did the last footage, but as y'all can see, man, we got it on. Try to get it to where y'all can see it underneath the car. Hold on. Got the full exhaust on, man. And bruh, it sounds crazy. Like, when you driving it and you got it in eco, it sounds like you got it in sport. And then when you put it in sport mode, it kind of goes quiet, but it's still aggressive. And so, bruh, it's a dope exhaust system to have on there. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next to the car. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, man, because it's either wheels will be next, coilovers, tune, maybe, who knows, or I don't know. I been thinking about airbags. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section which one would y'all prefer, because like I said, I might do some air suspension. Airbags on the Lexus will always be crazy. I mean, it's kind of like a VIP setup, but I don't know for sure yet. Because like I said, my phone had died when I was at the shop once they got finished with it and stuff, so I had paid and I had to get in my car. I had to rush to get my daughter because today is her granny's birthday. Happy birthday. But yeah, man, it's the end of the video. I'm walking down here to this little fitness room, man. I'm about to go run 1.5 miles or 2 miles, just depending on how I really feel. And yeah, man, I'll catch y'all next time.